Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Omnisend. All right, so first up, log into your Omnisend account. Now go to the top right and click on Apps. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you gotta want to use the search bar or just scroll all the way down and find this section, Connect Your Store. Okay, right here we have Shopify and some other options. Okay, click on Shopify, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just click on Connect Now. Okay, click on it, wait for it. And again, click on Connect Store. In here, just click on Install. All right, as you can see, we are now being logged in to our Shopify account. And that is, of course, within the same browser you have logged into Shopify as well. If not, it will ask you to log in. All right, so just click on Install right here. Wait for it, and you'll be landed to your Shopify account. Click on Install once more. It says you're importing brand assets. So you can now then go ahead and set your brand assets, and Omnisend right here will apply them to your emails and forms. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select a brand logo, upload from my computer. I'm going to go ahead and use the channels logo right here and hit on upload. Wait for it, select it, select the accent, maybe this one, dark, light, headings, select the font right here. I'm just going to leave it as is and enter your social links. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the YouTube's address right here. And then, as you can see here, we have the preview. Okay, and then once you're happy with that, you can now then go ahead and click on Save Brand Assets. And it says here, nice work. Just click on I'll explore on my own. That is how you connect Shopify to Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.